Hi, this is Ian Agard, founder of Abbi, and in today's video, I'm going to start with a motivational quote that you fired up, when you're hitting the phones, when you're going out in the day, whatever it may be, banging on emails. This video will get you going and thinking about your sales career, your sales team, your vision, and how to best engage and influence your prospects and customers. Basically, it goes like this. It's a quote by Thomas Fries, and it says, "The questions you ask are more important than the things you could ever say." Say that again. The questions you ask are more important than the things you could ever say. Powerful. I think what Thomas is trying to say is that when we listen by asking questions. And we ask questions, our prospect is talking. And when they're talking, they're actually buying. When we're speaking, we're selling. And people want to buy. So I think Thomas was trying to say, ask powerful questions, be quiet, let your prospect talk. And by them talking, and you listening, that's a great way for you to connect with them, understand their pain points, and really be able to find a way to match your solution with their problem. Again, it's Ian Agard with Abbi. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button below. Subscribe to this channel. I make videos at least once a week, every Saturday. But I'm also experimenting with motivational speaks, motivational quotes that come out every morning. So if you liked it, subscribe, and I'll be making more of these. Have a great day.